Hey everybody, this is Joe's Premium Firewood, coming to you live here on Facebook, delivering hickory firewood. You can see it in there, a Joe cord, to one of my loyal customers. Just kind of want to show you what I'm going through. Had to drive down the freeway at 45 miles an hour, and I'm a little bit late, but I thought I would show you what's going on. Let me turn this camera around, and I'll show you what I usually do for this customer. So, yeah, you can see it's nasty out. I was driving in freezing rain, sleet, snow, freezing rain, and I just had to pull over to clean off my wipers because they have all the snow and ice on it. I almost turned around when I seen the weather getting bad, but they're a good customer. Plus, I need the money. I'm almost there, but oh, we got some hearts coming up. I know you can hear me today because I'm not messing around with that microphone, but I'm almost there. And like I say, I got just regular hickory in here. I loaded up yesterday, but I don't know how I'm going to get back. I'm probably going to take the back roads because I don't know, the highway, if there's a wreck on the highway, then you're just stuck there. If I'm going to drive 40 miles an hour, I might as well take the back roads. But I'm in downtown Grand Rapids, Michigan to I think they were my first restaurant customer, I believe. I've been selling here since 2016, I believe. And it's right up here. It's right here in the corner of the stop sign. It's called Slows. They have one in Detroit also. There it is. But as you can see, it is nasty out. I guess, they're getting more snow than we are here south of here where I live. There it is right there. So I got to go to the parking ramp. Now they should have a spot marked off for me. I put it in four-wheel drive. I'm not going to drive on the highway. You can see the US 131 right there. That's like the main artery that goes through Grand Rapids. And you can see how slow. Normally people are driving 80 miles an hour through there. But I got to pick up my my tab here because I got to pay for the parking, which is included into the cost. So let me push this button here. You can see them orange cones. You see them orange cones up there? That's where I got to park at. Let's see. I hope I can reach this. I might have to get out and push the button to get my ticket because I don't have the automated one or open my door. So hold on, unbuckle the seatbelt, put it in park, and push the button. There, and then I got to scan it over there when I leave. Now the thing's up. I'll pull forward and I'll go move the cones. Good thing part of the deal is I give them a discount. They do the unload and stacking. It looks like both spots are open. There's the gate right there. So they reserve a spot for me. Let me turn on this fan to get the window defrost a little bit. There, I got to go move those cones. I can back right up in there. So hopefully I'm not in anybody's way. Let me put you on the tripod so I can get out and store it. Got 26 people watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up. I think people can get by me right now. So put it in park. Let me go move the cones, open the gate. Looks like both spots are open. Something happened to the gate here and it doesn't open all the way. There's your Joe cord of shag bark. Let me I'll put you on here so you can watch me move them. Just got to get it so it don't fall over. Maybe. There. I think you should see me now. got the cones out of the way. Got the cones out of the way. I can get in there. You can see how far that door opens on that side. I don't know what happened to it, but I'm gonna get up in there. So, and that's their storage rack inside there. So yeah, snowy delivery. Yep, it is. So I'm gonna have to let you guys watch me because I need to concentrate on the driving. You know, I don't have a camera crew. Stop being a cameraman. Cameraman's my job. That's my job. Okay. All right. Already got it 4-wheel drive. I'll try to back in there as far as possible. So with this weather, we don't want to move it that far. But other times they forgot to block it, or people move the cones, and then they had to move it real far. It takes them forever, and I got to get out of. I want to get out of here, and get home before it gets any worse. And it's really bad right now. Driving on the slushy snow or freezing rain, it's the worst. So I'm just trying to line it up so I don't hit the doors. It's a real tight fit. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that. You guys fell over, but you know, I'm trying to back up on there and see if I can just muscle it up. I think I'm already up. I did get up. Okay. Get it in here as far as possible. Hopefully they can squeeze by and get in there. I think there's room on that side. So what I do, you know, I'm gonna take the keys in there, grab my wallet, take a sip of Monster. So part of the deal for this, I'm getting $280 cash for this. They're gonna pay me cash. They do the unload, and I get a free meal and a cocktail at the bar. So I'm gonna go in and tell them I'm here. I'm like 15 minutes late, and I left early. But when you're driving 45 miles an hour down the freeway, it's gonna slow you up. So I'll show you how I got it. But like I said, they got to squeeze in here, and you can see that. You can see what's in there. So they're gonna be happy about this. But like I say, with this door being broke, that's as far as it opens. This is, you know, that's perfect for them. So I'm gonna head in. I'll walk in there with you. Just leave this right here. I know now the wind just blew the door that way. Well, I better turn off my lights. I got my lights on. I had them turned on. So yeah, that just got blew in there, but they can push it back. But let's see. Don't want my wallet falling out, so we'll walk you to the front door. I probably shouldn't film inside there, you know, without talking to them first. So we'll just take a little walk around the building here. Hope everybody's having a good day. I don't know what the weather's like where you're at, but it's nasty here. Like I say, I'm just about a mile away from downtown, and there's all kinds of businesses around here. Like I say, there's a highway up there. Everybody's going real slow. Roads are nasty. So we'll go this way, take a little walk. I don't think they're going to be very busy at all. I don't know who's out and about today. I'd rather have snow than the freezing rain I had to deal with earlier. You know what I'm saying? So and this is why I don't like doing deliveries in the wintertime like this. I topped them off around Thanksgiving, and normally you go through it every 3 months. I guess it's been 3 months. I was hoping it'd last them to April, but like I say, normally I don't do local deliveries with weather this bad, you know what I'm saying? So There it is. There's the building. But hopefully that you can't hear that music. But it is terrible out here. Terrible. But just about in there. I'll probably transfer this to YouTube later. Hopefully sound's coming through, but I'll give you one last look at downtown Grand Rapids. I'm gonna head in, have some lunch. There's the place. Thanks everybody for watching. Thanks everybody who made it to the end. Hit that thumbs up. We'll catch you guys on the next one.